Hi, I'm Khushbu with Lightpoint. At Lightpoint, we focus on developing test solutions which are simple, easy to use, and most importantly, increase manufacturing test efficiency. In today's video, I will demonstrate how you can achieve higher efficiency and shorter test times using Lightpoint's 5G and multi-DUT manufacturing test solution. We are going to measure the transmitter and receiver performance of a millimeter wave device over the air to evaluate the test times for single DUT and multi-DUT configuration. Let's first take a look at the single DUT test setup. First up is IQgig-5G, our non-signaling 5G millimeter wave tester capable of generating and analyzing 5G waveforms within the continuous 23 to 45 GHz range. The tester has 4 bidirectional RF ports, and we are using 2 of them to connect to Lightpoint's low-gain dual polarization horn antenna. The antenna offers a typical gain of 10 dB, suitable for far-field distances of less than 5 centimeters. With this setup, we will be able to perform both horizontal and vertical polarization transmitter and receiver measurements. For accurate alignment between the DUT's millimeter wave antenna module and the horn antenna, we are using this simple measurement fixture. Finally, for test flow development and execution, we are using IQgig-5G, our high-volume manufacturing automation test tool. IQgig-5G facilitates easy customization of test flows from a predefined library of transmitter and receiver test cases. IQgig-5G also lets you modify measurement parameters such as bandwidth, modulation type, and pass and fail limits within each of the test scripts. Now, to provide a meaningful comparison, we will run the same test flow in both IQgig-5G and a widely used chipset automation tool. As you can see, for single DUT measurements, the entire test flow took 95 seconds to complete in IQgig-5G versus 400 seconds in the other automation tool, leading to almost 70% test time reduction. IQgig-5G has an integrated DUT control which builds upon the features delivered by a widely used chipset automation tool. It also leverages the parallel test capabilities in Lightpoint's IQgig-5G, which significantly improves test time efficiencies not just for single DUT but for multi-DUT test operations. To demonstrate this, let's collect test results on a 2-DUT and a 4-DUT test setup, using the same test flow as the previous single DUT measurement. Here is our 2-DUT test setup, and we are using all 4 ports of the tester and a single dual polarization horn antenna for each of the DUTs. This setup is identical to the single DUT measurements because we are using both the horizontal and vertical polarization for all the measurements. Here we see 2 test flows running simultaneously. IQgig-5G supports asynchronous parallel test, and the test software uses this capability to run multiple DUTs in parallel, maximizing the utilization of the tester resources. By adding external switches or using single polarity measurements, the test system supports up to 4 DUTs, all tested simultaneously. Here we see the 4 DUTs running simultaneously. The DUTs are being controlled by independent IQgig-5G test flows, and the tester VSA and VSG hardware is being shared between the DUTs by rapidly switching between different RF ports. Now let's take a look at the summary of the test results. As you can see, not only does IQgig-5G deliver impressive test time improvements over a typical chipset tool implementation, but it also provides significant throughput advantages. The 4.IQfact-5G implementation provides 3 to 4 times higher throughput than a typical 1. Implementation of a chipset automation tool. IQfact-5G ensures quality device characterization and can be easily scaled from DVT to production and can significantly reduce engineering effort and improve manufacturing test efficiency. For more information, go to lightpoint.com/5G. Thank you.